sensitive data by encrypting your E-drive on your Windows machine. Encryption ensures that even if someone gains unauthorized access to your files, they won't be able to read them without the correct password or key. Now, let's get to work. Click on the File Explorer on your machine. Right-click on the drive that you want to put password on or the drive you want to encrypt. Click on the Turn on BitLocker. Select Use a password to unlock the drive. Enter your password, but remember your password must have lowercase, numbers, spaces, and symbols. Click on Next. This dialog box indicates that you have to do a backup recovery for the password. This means that where do you want to save your recovery key? Is it going to be on flash drive, or you're going to save it as a file on your machine? So I want to save mine on my USB flash drive. So I will select USB flash drive. I will save and click Next. Click Next, Next, and then start encrypting. It will load for a while and it will show that encryption is completed. Close it. You see on the E drive that there is a padlock icon shown on it. That indicates that there is an encryption on the E drive. So whenever you restart your machine, you would have to enter the password before you can open it. But let me show you how you can remove this encryption from the drive. You search for Control Panel from the search bar. Control Panel. You open Control Panel. Click on System and Security. Scroll down to locate BitLocker drive encryption. You see C drive and E drive, but the BitLocker is on the E drive. That is why it is shown BitLocker is on. Click on it. Scroll down to see Turn off BitLocker. Turn off BitLocker. Ooh la la, BitLocker is decrypting, meaning the password is being removed. It will load for a while and it will show that turn on BitLocker again. But for you to verify whether it is true or not, go back to your disk PC from File Explorer and locate the E drive. You see that the BitLocker icon is removed. Thank you and follow for more.